Hello everyone. Welcome today. Yes, today the second day in 2022. On Sunday, yes, we have no newspaper, and I've told you I will solve an old one, an old additional with extra Sudokus that I've not finished. Well, I found one, and it's the Tuesday edition of October the 12th, 2021, because last Friday, December the 31st, 2021, we have no extra puzzles, no extra Sudokus or additional, only one regular Sudoku. And in the Tuesday edition, October the 12th, the edition, we have four puzzles left. Sudoku with 1 star, the 2 stars, we have a tectonic, and a binary. So four puzzles to go. The first one will be a number 3918. Before start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. How about 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, a third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. All right. Okay. Let me see. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, no only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above. The only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, third column, 8 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Then 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row. So the row between the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 8. Okay, and now which number? Let me see. Interesting. Yeah. we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1 in the second row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there.
Als je volgens mij duidelijk ik had er pas om bij te maken.
Ja? Then I cannot continue with the 1. Okay, let me choose another digit. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Okay. 2, 5, and 3. I cannot continue with the 2. How about the 3 in the last row? 3 in a row above. So that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Now I can continue with the 2. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2, 2. 2, 2. Yeah. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in the middle column. So no 2 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and 3. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, and the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Okay, so we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there. Only place left for the 2 should be there. Then 30. Okay. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then. Think. 5. Okay. 1, 2, 7. The 4 in this column, the 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, and the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4, therefore should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Moment. Interruption. Okay. Need to position the camera. Okay. Do we have all the 4s? Let me check. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 4. Okay. Then. Let me see. No one. No. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 6. We have a 1 and a 6 in this column, so no 1 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. That means we have a 1 here in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. So 1 number left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the 9 is missing. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. The other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third column. Oh, wait. I cannot continue with the 5. How about these 2 missing numbers in the last row? The 1 and the 6. 1 and the 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this third row, 9 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see this is number 4, number 9. 1 box left in the first column for the number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. And the last big square, the final 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Correct? Faster than 15 minutes. And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second puzzle. In this additional of October the 12th, A 2-star Sudoku it will be. See you then. Bye bye for now.